Hello guys, so today we will be unboxing and demoing chairside Sandblaster. I got this Sandblaster from Dentalmart for 3500 rupees. Reason I bought this because I want to use resin cement for luting my crowns in cases where I have less retention, and in cases of the cementation of crowns which came out after some time. As you can see, it's a very well packaged box. Let's open the box. Inside we get some paperwork, handpiece, two tips and some connectors. Tips are 360-degree rotatable. So let's go toward a demo. This is a crown which came out after a year. So I am removing its leftover cement with Sandblaster. It is good in removing cement and creating a micro mechanical retention, so resin cement can have better bond. In my opinion, biggest issue with this machine, it throws a lot of aluminium oxide debris everywhere, so I need to make something so I can contain it. Otherwise it works well. If you are planning to use GIC for luting, sandblasting will not help that much. Sandblasting removes library contaminants which reduce bond strength. If you are planning to use resin luting cement, it's very useful and increase bond strength many times. This is the after doing sandblasting. As you can see, a very nice sandblasted surface is there. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.